Hello, good morning everybody. I hope you can see my screen and also hear my voice clearly. So today's 7th of December. We're going to start our analysis with the chart on our screen. This is Euro USD So this chart as it looks now, this is bearish. We do expect price to continue to the lower side. Despite whatever is happening now, we still do expect price to continue to the lower side. I'm going to explain why I'm saying this is what we expect to be happening. We have a trend line from the top like this. So this like some resistance. We have a resistance, we have a resistance, we have a resistance, we have a resistance, and then on the lower side we have a support here. So this like some support here, we have a support here, we have a support here. On the upper side we do have this here, we have another one here. So this is like some shape which is currently forming. If you look at that chart properly, it's like some shape which is forming. We have a very good falling trend line, falling wedge formation, and the price keeps being held within it. So if the price goes up to the line which you have at the very top, then that will be a good place to look for a sell from. If the price breaks beyond the upper line, then that will be a very good place to consider long-term buy positions from. So if you buy it, assuming the price breaks beyond the upper trend line, that is, if the price does something like breaks above, price will move up to this point. So this will be a good place to look for a buy from. If you're on this chart now, you are supposed to be looking for more buy positions. We have a level there, we have a level there, we have a level there. So expect price to continue up to 107.925. so keep looking for more buy. If the price goes and breaks beyond the upper line, the upper trend line, then that will give us the correct place to look for a buy from. So I hope this makes some sense. I hope you understand what I'm saying, that if the price goes and breaks beyond the upper line, then that will be a good place where we want to look for a buy from. So we're going to move. So the next chart, this is Euro USD. This chart, the way it looks, we are upwards. If you're on this chart now, expect price to continue upwards. The reason I'm saying this is because we do have a resistance level here. We have a resistance level around this one. So this is like a resistance, this a resistance, this a resistance, a resistance, this that breakout, and then we also have this one. So this is a resistance, a support. We have a support here. So as it is now, keep looking for more buy positions, keep looking for more buy orders. Expect price to continue up because this is the only 19350. If the price can come back down up to this point, then this will be the ideal place to look for a buy from. So as it is now, we are still upwards. Keep looking for more buy orders, expecting price to move even higher. So the next chart, you can see we had like a bearish pin bar. We had a resistance level here, and then this may be like a very good trend line. So we had a resistance level here, we have some resistance. What was happening? So if you look at this chart, you can see entirely that this like a very good resistance level. A resistance, we have a resistance there. So we want price to continue to the lower side. We do expect sellers to dominate in this market. We do expect sellers to push price much lower. You should keep looking for more sell positions, expecting price to move even lower up to this level. We have the first level there, we have another level there, and we have another level there, and then we have another level there. So these are the places where if the price can come back up to, then they're going to be the best places to look. The next chart I want us to look at. So gold so far is pulling back upwards. There's a level here. We do have some support. We have a support here. We have a support. We have a support. We have a support. There's a breakout. So expect price to come up to this point, up to 1861.55, up to this point. So that look for a sell from that level. expecting that sell to take us up to 1746.65. so as it is now, expect a move up to that point towards the losses. So this is going to be a good place to look for a sell from. The next chart I want us to look at is Brent oil. So Brent oil too is upwards, is also moving to the upper side. We still expect a momentum to the upper side on this. So keep looking for buy positions. Expect this chart to continue to the upper side. Keep looking for, we have a resistance here, we have a support there up to this level. So if then this will be a good place to look for a buy from. So just expect a buy at this price. The next chart, more buy positions. Expect price to continue to the upper side. So thank you very much. That should bring us to the end of today's analysis. We'll meet again tomorrow at the same time. So thank you. See you.